come across two feathers. One. And another one. So these two feathers are tail feathers, not primary. We call them tail feathers, they're straight. They're not the primary feathers from the wings, they're the tail feathers. So if we just start to connect the dots, then we realise that even around here there's quite a bit of down. So this particular bird that's around here is going through its molt, this natural cycle of replenishing, transition, transformation. Just wanted to show you, I've just found the other feather, so now we build up a picture just like a jigsaw puzzle. Transition, transformation, this is how we connect with the Quran, this is how we connect with Al-Quran al-Taqwini. Connect the dots, right brain hemisphere, build up a picture like a jigsaw puzzle. Relationships, patterns, context. So I showed you the two tail feathers, and then just over there, and with all of the down, you come across here, which is the primary. See the different shape? That's your primary. That's the finger-like projections you'll see on the end of the bird. That gives the bird the thrust. So this bird around here, if I kept looking, is definitely going through a molt. Has lost two tail feathers and one primary feather. SubhanAllah.
المدح فيه